Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can hide notes in Facebook Messenger app. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, don't forget to write comments after watching the video. And let's get started. So, first of all, we're going to open the Messenger application. Now I want to show you from the very beginning. So when you open Messenger, at the top of your correspondences, you'll have these windows or notes in the Messenger app. And if you don't want to have them, if they're bothering you, then you can easily delete them. To do that, you'll have to tap on the contact and hold. And here you select the very last option, which is hide contact. And then you confirm your actions. As you can see, the contact was instantly hidden. I'll show them again. You do not worry in this way. You do not delete correspondence with the person, or you do not block him, for example, in Messenger. You just hide the notes from that person. So, if you want to, let's say, put someone back here in your notes, in order to quickly find the person and communicate with them. Then you click on the three bars, then you click on the gear. And then you select Privacy and Security. Here you select Hidden Contacts. And you can see the full list of hidden contacts. And in order to get someone back from a note, you just select the person opposite them, you click Show. Now if you go back, we have, as you can see, that person has appeared in your notes. So that's the very simple way that you can hide notes in the Facebook Messenger app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you later, friends.